$3,000, guys.
All right, man.
Holy moly. Oh, we got it! Go! Oh! Yes, guys! We got it! We are playing some epic fortunes. Those are the progressives. Let me back up a little bit. We're gonna play $2.50 and $5. What did we pick? The rocket?
Yeah.
All right. You guys were watching our live streams from Vegas recently. You know we did pretty good on this one. Hey, nice. All right, $2.50 bet. We'll take it. Pick it. All right, you got to pick. Yeah, keep going.
All right. Nice.
Hey, we got to pick.
Go. One more pick. Nice.
Hey, and a rocket.
Go. Big one. Ooh, big one.
Hey, nice. All right, guys. Look at that. And we got a rocket.
Maybe 1875.
Those are the rockets.
Nice.
All right, 1875 on deck. Let's get it, guys. All right, come on. Oh, you got a landy. Oh, come on now. Okay. Resets. We got 3 more spins. Come on, rocket. And the rocket's red glare. Oh, saw that 25 roll by. Come on. Right here. Oh, that's all right. That's a quick bonus. Take it. Oh, shnikes. That'd have been a good one. Let's get that $5. Oh. Scott. Oh, come on. It's got a little hot for us last night. Oh, man. I'd have loved that. Rockets are where it's at. It's coming back, I'm telling you. Oh, look at that. Oh, numbers look really nice on bigger bets, huh? All right, let's get this $5. Oh, come on. Dang. Oh, come on. Doesn't that look like it wants to come back? Dang you. Hey, there we go. Let's get some rockets now. We keep getting on the low bet. We need that $5 bet. That's all right, though. Come on, BB. Get some rockets. And the rockets regular. There we go. You got a rocket. All right, let's get there. Going a minor on deck, way up. Hey. All right, another rocket. Is that normal? Yeah, I don't got a bonus.
We were just about to change D-Dogs too.
Okay, we'll take it. Keep going. Come on now. Let's get this $5. Oh, come on.
That was nice.
Right? Yeah, this $5 are bringing some nice numbers.
Well, thank you.
Hit another $5. Beaches. Dang. It's greener there like every time. Do a couple more and then it might be time to change the Dino. Ah, you turd. Move those wilds. Whoa. Alright, 250 again. I'll take it. It's insane. Alright, come on, Rocket. Come on, BB, get this. Oh boy. Alright, I was about to say, was that me or you?
You.
Alright, we need some rockets.
Not really.
Well, something be nice. Oh, that's spooktastic. We'll take it though. Win, I guess. I'm so mad we're hitting these on 250 instead of 5. Literally, every time I'm like, okay, I'm going to change the Dino. Okay, it's bonusing though, right? It's a slot. What more can you ask for? Ah. Dang you. Money back there. Yep, change it up. Oh! Every time. Alright, yeah, let's do this one. You want to do this one?
Change that.
1 cent? Alright, we changed up the wins. We're going with the multiplier. Oh, come on, let's get some multis. Oh, dang, okay, that could have been alright. Alright, I'm doing another $5. I want to change up the cycle. Keep hitting that 250. I want to hit it on 5. Come on, drop them!
Wow.
Whoa!
And it could have multiplied.
Alright, that'd have been nice. Come on. Oh! Oh, you turd. Come on, right here. Alright, well, that was epic fortunes, guys.
Alright, a little wild Chuco action. We got $100 in. We go 5 cents. We're starting 5, 375. See what happens. It's been the hot D-Nog for us. I told you.
There you go. It is a fun ass D-Nog.
Almost had a double. Alright, got some nice numbers over there. Come on, major. Oh, I saw the minor. Oh!
I see the major.
Nice. Keep it going.
Come on, major.
Minor, major. All right, staying alive. All right. Dang, 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 dang. Oh, the minor. How about the grand?
That's all right.
All right, Chuco, 150 bucks on a second spin. Take her to 2. Oh, 2-2. I thought I had it. Yep, I thought I did. Oh. Oh yeah. Get on a little run here, guys. Come on, Chuco. Come on, buddy. Curtains for days. Okay, false. Oh. Oh, wild, wild, please, wild. Oh, no. Oh, you can do wild. You can do wild. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh. All right, 3 more games left. We need something here. Lucky ship. Lucky ship. 1, 2 lucky there. 2 more. Wild. Oh, what a poop bonus. Maybe back to back.
Right here. Oh, that was so close.
Almost. All right, couple more. 1 more. All right, not bad.
Redemption bonus coming up. 250 bet again. Oh man. All right, let's go do some. Shout out to Big T. He always tells us about T-Bucks. I don't act light of. I'm so tired.